Worthington Hills. I miss you all. I hope you are all doing well and staying healthy. Today I'm going to read you LaRue for Mayor, letter from the campaign trail. Bugwort launches campaign for mayor. Former Pumpkinville Police Chief Hugo Bugwort announced yesterday that he will run for mayor of Snort City, calling himself the law and order candidate. Bugwort, who spoke to a cheering crowd in Gruber Park, is widely considered a shoo-in for the job. Snort City is a disgrace, he said to polite applause. We need to be more like Pumpkinville. That means no more sloppiness, no more silliness, and no more foolish behavior. The speech was interrupted when several dogs in the back of the crowd overturned a hot dog cart. Gertrude LaRue of 2nd Avenue was injured in the whole fiasco. The dogs were not identified. Dear Mrs. LaRue, October 1st. How sorry I am to hear about your injuries. Who knew that hot dog carts were so unstable? I was simply trying to get a better view of Chief Bugwort when it collapsed. Heaven knows what those dogs were doing. I must admit that they created an unfortunate impression of delinquency. Anyway, I'm shocked to hear that you'll be confined to the hospital for so long. No doubt you are worried about me. So am I. But Mrs. Hibbins has promised to serve my meals, and somehow I will persevere. With deepest sympathy, Ike. Dear Mrs. LaRue, October 2nd. Thank you for your concern. Yes, this will be a difficult time for me, stuck here all alone while you recuperate in your pleasant hospital bed. But please do not worry. I have become friendly with some of the dogs I met the other day in the park. We have decided to form a social club, which will perform various services to the community. Spending time with Fifi, Buck, and Chewy should help ease the pain of your absence. Plus, think of all the good deeds we will be doing. Victoriously yours, Ike. The Snort City Register Gazette, October 6th. Wild dogs rampage. Game disrupted. Unruly dogs plagued Snort City again yesterday, as one of the animals broke up a double play game and ran with the baseball during a Snort City Rabbits game at Morley Field. The episode capped a week of problems that began on Tuesday when the pack of rambunctious creatures broke up the annual Fishin' Derby on Blatt Lake. Apparently, the dogs first rolled in, then ate the catch. The following day, a group of dogs snuck into Mrs. Dingaling's truck outside Gruber Park and made off with 2 gallons of Rocky Road ice cream. None of the dogs have been apprehended through ice cream vendors. Eugene Phelps described the leader of it as a scruffy black and white fella. Dear Mrs. LaRue, October 7th. Please do not worry about me. I will not starve or die of loneliness. Probably. Yes, I read the newspaper accounts regarding dog problems. Frankly, I find them ridiculous. Can this cheerful and spirited behavior really be a problem? Where's the harm? And yet, with such ludicrous reporting, some weak-minded individuals might come to believe that dogs represent a menace to our community. Hope you are feeling better, Ike. The Snort City Register Gazette, October 8th. Bugwort calls for canine crackdown. Calling dogs a menace to our community, mayoral candidate Hugo Bugwort yesterday announced his plans to crack down on the beasts. We can no longer tolerate this sort of behavior, he said, citing recent dog-related problems. Mr. Bugwort proposes not only a leash law and a curfew, but a complete ban on the animals in most public places. This town is literally going to the dogs, said Bugwort. I intend to stop it. In related news, a dog recently snuck into Brandmeier's Butcher Shop on 2nd Avenue and made off with a string of beef sausages. Dear Mrs. LaRue, October 9th. I must say I've become alarmed by the ravagings of this man Bugworth. Imagine if he actually were elected to our city's highest office. The idea is unthinkable. I must figure out some way to stop this impending disaster. Your worried dog, Ike. The Snort City Register Gazette, October 10th. Letters to the editor. As a longtime resident, I must decry the wave of anti-dog hysteria sweeping over our town. Can we so quickly forget the loyalty of man's best friend, who accompanies our firefighters and police on their rounds, who rescues the weary travelers stuck in the high Alps, who serves the blind and the deaf too, most likely. Dogs, that too. Signed, a concerned citizen. Dear Mrs. LaRue, October 11th. How I envy you, the safety of your hospital bed. Here in the outside world, things have become indeed peculiar, at least for dogs. The awful Bugwort continues his attacks. Yesterday, he referred to dogs as gangs of hooligans. He must be stopped. Therefore, I've decided to throw my hat into the ring. This afternoon, I will announce my candidacy. Doubtless, the public response will be overwhelming. Your next mayor, Ike. Dear Mrs. LaRue, October 12th. My first day on the campaign trail was fabulous. Everywhere, huge crowds turned to cheer my message of dog friendliness. My chums from the social club have agreed to help. Of course, we will do our best to keep this campaign positive, though I can't speak for my opponent, who appears to be vicious and unstable, if not insane. Honestly yours, Ike. Dear Mrs. LaRue, October 13th. In my appearance, I have been pointing out that if dogs are banned in places like Gruber Park, cats will run wild. Not a pleasant thought. The campaign continues to gather steam. I think we will have Bugworth on the ropes. Politically yours, Ike. P.S. I hope you don't mind, but I've been using the apartment as campaign headquarters. The Snort City Register Gazette, October 14th. Bugwort challenged by mystery candidate. A mysterious new candidate has emerged to challenge Hugo Bugwort in his run for mayor. Supporters of Ike LaRue described him as dog-friendly. Opponents point out that he is in fact a dog. Either way, the furry LaRue has begun to wage a fierce campaign against Bugwort, who promised to virtually ban all dogs from Snort City. Surprisingly, LaRue's message has begun to catch on. We didn't anticipate this, admits Bugworth's campaign manager, Walt Smiley referring to the dogs. It turns out some folks are really fond of the little devils. I'm not worried, said Bugwort. Tomorrow is my big rally in Gruber Park. I'll deal with these dog lovers then. Dear Mrs. LaRue, October 15th. My supporters and I have decided to confront Chief Bugworth at today's rally. We will be out in force, and though we will conduct ourselves in a dignified manner, I am sure that the results will be interesting. Hope you are well, Ike. P.S. Nothing will distract me from this important cause. The Snort City Register Gazette, October 16th. LaRue rescues Bugwort, dog called hero. Hugo Bugwort was rushed to Memorial Hospital yesterday after collapsing on stage during a rally in Gruber Park. Apparently, he grew dizzy while trying to shout down hecklers. Among his rescuers was his opponent, local dog Ike LaRue. When the chief collapsed, we rushed him to the nearest vehicle. Mr. Ding-a-ling Truck explained, his campaign manager, Walt Smiley. For some reason, the dog was already inside. But give him credit, he really did his best to help. LaRue saved me, said Bugworth. All the way to the hospital, he fed me cool, delicious Rocky Road ice cream. By the time I got there, I was feeling much better. The rescue puts a new twist on an already unusual campaign. I have completely changed my mind about dogs, said Bugworth. In fact, I would be honored if Ike would serve me as assistant mayor to make sure that the interests of dogs are represented in a Bugworth administration. LaRue, who departed in the Mr. Ding-a-ling Truck, could not be reached for comment. Dear Mrs. LaRue, October 16th. Turns out that Chief Bugworth is not such a bad fellow after all. In fact, he's swell. Anyway, politics are not for me. I'd rather make friends than engage in the constant bickering. And since all I ever wanted was to make this place a great city for everyone, I've decided to wrap up my campaign and accept the chief's offer to serve as assistant mayor. I'm so glad you are feeling better and will be able to attend my swearing-in ceremony. Your loyal dog, Ike. The Snort City Register Gazette, November 3rd. Bugworth sworn in. LaRue joins former adversary. Promising to have the most dog-friendly administration ever, new Mayor Hugo Bugworth was sworn in yesterday during a ceremony in Gruber Park. At his side was Assistant Mayor Ike LaRue, whom many credit his success. This is a great day for everyone in Snort City, proclaimed Bugworth to loud cheers from the audience. The speech was interrupted when several dogs in the back of the crowd overturned a hot dog cart. Bugworth promised to look into the matter. It certainly is worrisome, he said. Who knew those carts were so unstable? Oops. I hope you guys enjoyed the story and have a great rest of your day. Bye!